Hello everyone, it's me Vintayo again. Today we're playing Clash of Clans. I'm a newbie here. I wanted to load my old village, but I wanna start as a newbie again. Sir age. Wait. Oh, 11. Welcome, Chief. We have been waiting for you. This is our new village. Life here would be perfect if it wasn't for... Oh, goblins! What is this? Another puny hitman. Oh, wait. For tips, do not spend gems. So you can buy more huts like this. Like builder hearts. Ooh, got bold. They got one shot. Balance. Ooh, help of wizards. I knew this because I was alone. Cannon. Let's go! Victory! Whoa. Spend the gold you loot on buildings and upgrades. Build and battle easy peasy. Electric storage. We need them. So we can, like hack them out. Let's gold storage. I just wanna spend any gems, bro. How long is its range, bruh? They got a new animation on this thing. I missed the old one though. Attack. You can wait. I used to defeat everyone by using this technique. That was nothing, gold. I said that was nothing. Town hall defeated. Let's go. Nice attack is the best way to get loot. What shall we call you? Okay, tell you. Oh, nice. Yes, we're upgrading it, boys. We're upgrading it. 2, 1, let's go. Everything's up to me now. Resources. Defenses, nice. None and they're for free. How about the ball? I'm talking about. And also some arcade tower. Oh, we got a lot of big things. We are absolute cook. Wait, this boat exists right now. Oh god, I miss the old one. Not gonna lie. Oh wait, I forgot about this. This is gold. Oh. Let me claim the gold. Nice. Wait, 5 on 5. Yo, wait. Not enough, bro. Nice. And how much? I'm ready. But we're just gonna do this. Attack barbarians! This guy is going solo and he dead. Destroy their village! Nice! Nice! I'm cooked. I'm cooked. Please break the town hall. You can do this, barbarian. R.I.P. barbarian. Wait, that's a miss. You can do this, my man. Remember me, comrade. No. He's useless anyways. Bro, I mean archers. Let's go. Join clan. Bro. Wait, let's get this straight. No. Nice. That's what I call the best one. Ooh. Yes, sir. Oh yeah, and don't forget to claim your rewards in here. So you can get gems. Wow. If we're gonna upgrade the Archer Tower. Okay. I'ma fight some enemies. Attack. Ooh. Okay. Barbarians will spread. Yes, we're winning. Nice one. No, barbarians. Wait, we can get to 50. Okay. I know it. I knew it. It achieves journey. Oh wait, can get a goblin. Elixirs. Nice. What? Wait. Anyways, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. And I'll post some improvements in YouTube. Bye bye.